Honey, are you sure this hotel bed is clean to sleep on tonight? Whoa! Good thing I traveled prepared. Tired of sleeping with dust bunnies? Well, check out this magic wand. Say goodbye, dust mites and bed bugs, and hello to a great peaceful night of sleep. I'm using the UV light here built in the vacuum to also sanitize the sheets. I'm now kicking it into power mode and going in for that deep cleaning. That way it gets all into those nooks and cracks. There's no point in stopping now. I might as well get this couch as well. And also these push pillows. All done. Thank you MHM's Bed Smart Vacuum for saving the day and my trip. Because everybody deserves a great night's sleep in a clean environment and in peace, away from bed bugs, whether they're traveling abroad or at home.